Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I have a new teacher on board to Haguin School and her name is Luna. Let me know in the comment section below on how she performs.
Let's look at the first category of machine learning, which is supervised learning. First, it enables learning by mapping an input to output based on example input-output pairs. It allows data to be collected, or a data output produced, from the previous experience. Known input and associated outputs are given, or it uses labeled input data. It's able to predict future outcomes based on past data. So, basically, for supervised learning, if you give it enough past data, it will be able to predict the future outcome. Of course, as we know, what happened in the past doesn't always mean it will happen again in the future, especially in the financial market, but it's a good indicator. So, why supervised learning? It has high accuracy as it's trained with labeled data, leading to precise predictions. Next, it has clear evaluation as it's easy to measure performance with known outcomes. Furthermore, it's ideal for classification and regression tasks. Towards the end of this chapter, we will talk more about regression. Lastly, it's easier to understand the relationship between input and output. Now let's look at typical applications. We use supervised learning for classification tasks like spam detection. Since we roughly know how a spam email looks like based on past spam emails, regression tasks like house price prediction, as well as image and speech recognition.